Yo, what's going on? Your boy Luric O'Shea here, music creator, educator, and entrepreneur, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to go over setting up the preset in Motion 5, importing your background, your audio, and adding a title. Let's get to it. All right, once you first get to Motion 5 and you start a new project, you want to do a blank Motion project. Preset, I have broadcast HD 1080. And for frame rate, I have 29.97 frames per second. For duration, I have 300 seconds, which equals 5 minutes. Then I'm going to press open. Once I have Motion 5 open, let's take a look here. So over here on the left, you have your library and your inspector. So here's where we can add different effects and customize and tweak things. To the right of that, we have the project pane. So every object we create, every object we import is going to go right here. Then to the right, here's the screen where we'll be able to monitor what we're creating. First thing I want to do is double click on group, and I want to change that name to background. For the next step, what I want to do is pick my background image. So for that, I'm going to go to the internet. I'm going to go to a website, pexels.com. Once I got to pexels.com, in a search box, I just typed in the image I was looking for. I clicked on it. I made sure that I followed the photographer and I liked the photo. And then you hit download. And once I am back in Motion 5, what I want to do is Command I to import my image. Next thing you want to do, up here near the upper right hand corner, you see where it says 100%. You want to change that to fit so you can see the entire screen. And I'm simply now just going to resize my image so that it takes up the entire screen. Then I'm going to drag this over to the right so I shouldn't see any black space. Next thing I want to do, I'm going to come over here to the library and I'm going to go to generators. And under generators, I'm going to go to clouds. And you can see a preview up here what the clouds do. And I'm going to click on it and I'm going to drag it onto my background. All right, now I'm going to click on the inspector so I can customize my clouds a little bit. So I definitely want a different color. And for my clouds, so I'm going to click on my first color. I'm going to do more of this white color. All right, so there we go right there. I'm going to check on the cloud box again. So there's my cloud. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the opacity in properties. And I'm just going to drag the opacity down until my dollar bill comes back in the screen. If you want to move a little faster, you can go back to your cloud, click on clouds, go to generator. And here we can change the speed, but the method is on normal. I want the method to be turbulent just so it moves even more. So we have our background image, we have a background effect, clouds. All right, now next thing that I'm going to do is add a title. So I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna stop that, go back to the beginning. I'm gonna come over here where it says text, click on the T for text, and just click in here. And now I'm going to start typing my title. So the name of this beat is going to be called Check Up. All right, so I like this one. And now I'm going to just make it a lot bigger. I want the color to be that red color. I like that. And then I'm going to click on outline. And I want the outline to be a little bit more this money green. So I got that. And I'm going to make the outline even bigger. I'm going to blur it a little bit. And then if I want to add a glow, I can even add a glow. So I'm going to come over here and maybe add a glow. So now that I have my colors, I'm going to drag this to the middle. And you know it's in the middle because you see the yellow vertical and horizontal lines. So now that I have my title right where I want it, so we have the title, we have the background, and we have the background effect. The last step that I want to do is import the audio file. So I'm going to do Command I, all right, and this is MP3. I'm going to import. Now we want to save it, Command S. All right, so make sure y'all come back for the next video where I'm going to show you how to start creating your lines that's going to be your sound analyzer. Peace.